Finally, it's wash day. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be finally doing my first wash day since my Texlaxed. I know, that was nearly 3 weeks ago, but life got in the way and I didn't have the right products at the time. I've gotten those products now, hence why I did an unboxing haul in my previous video. Please do check that out. I'll link the video up here. And so now that I have the products, I'm just going to give my hair the love, the protein and the moisture it's been begging me for, right? I've been experiencing breakage postpartum. My edges have recovered so far. There's still more to come, definitely, but it's so much better than before. But my hair is breaking. Probably postpartum effect still, and could also be from, the Texlaxed service as well, because, chemical treatments tend to dry out your hair. That's why it's really important to quickly follow it up with a deep conditioning treatment, moisture, or protein, as the case may be. That's what I'll be doing today. I'll show you the products I'll be using soon in the next clip. So come do this with me. I'm so excited. One day, make me happy. So the SheaMoisture JBCO shampoo is a clarifying shampoo, which is really important to use on your first wash after your Texlaxed or relaxing treatment. It helps to wash out the remnants of the chemical and wash off all the build up, clarify your hair, and then prepare it for the treatment it's about to receive. I usually do like 2 washes. The first wash, as you could see, didn't lather as much, hence why I went in a second time. And then I also used my massager to massage my scalp, to also wash my scalp properly, then rinse my hair properly, and then dried with a microfiber towel, then follow it up with a protein treatment. So I'm back from washing my hair now, and the next step now is to apply the protein treatment. My hair, I don't need it to be too dry. It just needs to be it needs to still be damp, not dripping wet, but damp, for us to apply the protein treatment, right? So because the protein treatment is in a liquid form, so this is the brand I'll be using, the ApHogee. Because it's in a liquid form, I'll be putting it in a spray bottle so I can easily spritz it onto my hair. This smells really potent, so you have to be ready for this. And as you can see, I'm covering my body and my clothes because going by the color of this outfit, it might, because this is my first time using it, it might be damaging to outfits and stuff. So that's why I had to, put the towel on my body. So first thing first, I'll put my hair in section. We'll do a section of 4. So putting your hair in a section of 4 makes it easy for you to get to all of your hair strands. So after putting it in a section of 4, you go in with a wide tooth comb. I usually would detangle with my fingers first before going in with my comb. Detangle properly, detangle all sections properly before going in with the ApHogee 2-step protein treatment. Then spray it into the hair. I also went in with my comb after spraying in the protein treatment. So combing it out helps me spread the treatment across evenly on all the hair strands. Again, do this gently. I had to put this part of the video on speed because I didn't want to take too long on a particular clip, hence why it looks as though I was doing it too fast, but I took my time. So please be gentle on your strands while you are applying the treatment. Use it generously because you want the treatment to get to every part of your hair. And then when you're done, allow it air dry, or quicken it with a blow dryer. Once it's dry, do not touch, do not comb. We're back in the shower again. So to wash off the protein treatment, and after washing off the protein treatment, we need to go in with the ApHogee balancing moisturizer. This would help return the hair back to its normal pH and soften it, you know, to balance out the effect of the protein. So after you put the balancing moisturizer on your hair, you let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. I let mine sit for 5 minutes, then wash it off, and then proceed to do your deep conditioning. And in this case, we'll be doing a moisture deep conditioning treatment. You can see me smelling. I'm so excited because the balancing moisturizer smelled so amazing. I was in love with the smell of the moisturizer. That's why I was blushing in the bathroom. I love products that smell nice. So make sure you go into your hair with the moisturizer. Be generous with it, like I would always say. So put it in for 5 minutes, then wash it off. Now it's time to deep condition. I'll be using the Keracare number 2. Hair is still damp but not dripping. So now we'll go in. So this Keracare mask is deeply moisturizing. Very good for your moisture treatment days. And I'm going in with it to help deeply moisturize my hair. So after I washed off the hard protein treatment, I went in with the balancing moisturizer, as you could see, and I could already feel my hair getting really soft, right? But then we need a deep moisture treatment with heat so that the moisture can, penetrate into the hair shafts and balance out the um, protein treatment that we just got, right? So once I've done that, I apply my cap and then go in with the heating cap, which I'll be leaving in for 30 minutes. Plugging this in for 30 minutes. So let me set my timer. Currently 10:32, so I'll be here till 11. I need to watch the movie fast while I wait time. Now I'm finishing up with my leave-in conditioner and then sealing all that moisture with my oil. Today I'm using the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. My hair feels alive again. Fluffy, soft, moisturized. It's giving life. For the oil, I'll be using the Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. My hair feels so much stronger and softer already. Like it really soaked up all the treatment. So I'll go ahead and style this in a bun, or probably let it air dry. But that brings us to the end of today's video. This was such a much needed treatment for my hair. If you're a Texlaxed like me or a relaxed hair girly, do not skip the post relaxer treatment. It's very important for your hair. Your hair will thank you. If you've watched this video up to this point, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And watch out for more posts on hair care tips. Thank you. Till see you again.